Hi there, it's Michelle. I'm going to show you how to set up your newsletter sign up form that's as a widget that's on your blog. Okay, so here's my blog, and on the side here you can add this widget that is sign up for my free updates and trainings. And I'm going to show you actually right here. It's just landed sign up form widget, and that is the title that I gave it. And yeah, so that is what that looks like. So, but you have to set it up so that when someone puts in their email address, it goes to the proper place, okay? And they are a lead. So what you need to do is you need to go into aweber and you need to create a list. And then under that list you can set up several web forms, okay? But on that one list is where you have your email autoresponder set up. And so for this one, I am going to give them access to all my free trainings, my free 7-day training course. But I have several forms underneath that list. And this one is going to be this one here. Let me go back. And I'm going to call it my free training course opt-in. And so, you don't have to worry about how it looks. I just created a really quick one, and I set up my settings so that it would go to my thank you page, right? And if they're already subscribed, I want that to be the same thing. I've already set that up. So anyway, when you click on publish, let me save that even though I didn't need to. All right, when you click on publish, you click on I will install my form, you go to the raw HTML version. So hopefully you've already got your thing set up and you are now in the raw HTML version part, okay? Now what you're going to do is you are going to do a search for post, okay? Now the reason why is because right next to that it's going to give you the first thing that you need, and then everything below that is all the other information that you need. So what you're going to do though is on your website you're going to go to your just landed, you're going to go to your dashboard. All right, so click on just landed options, and then what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down to newsletter and you're going to click on newsletter. And what we need to do first is we first need to set it up. We need to set up the service selection. So click on aweber and then check this to enter your aweber settings. And your first thing you're going to put is your aweber post URL. So I typed in the word post so that would take me right to this, and you're going to just move over and you're going to grab just the URL which starts with HTTP, and you're just going to go all the way to the end of that, not the very end, but just until it ends before the quotation, and that right there is what you're going to grab. So you're going to just copy that, and then you're going to go to your just landed options, and under that you're just going to copy and paste that on into this section here. The aweber form number is right below it. The form ID is this number right here. So you just go down here and add the form number. Now I don't have a Metasplit ID, so I'm just leaving that blank. So see right there, it doesn't have anything between the quotes. The list name is MG's blog. All right, so take that and you want to put the name of the list name, and then you want to have the redirect, which is the thank you page. And so all you do is you just find the redirect here and you just grab the HTML or the URL for that, okay? And you just copy it and you put it here on the redirect, and then the meta redirect on list, find that one. It should be right below it, and it's the same URL. At least that's what I've got right there. And then the meta add tracking, the field meta add tracking right here, the meta add tracking right there. You just grab that's in between the quotes, and you just copy that and just add it. And then the aweber form field meta message, right there, message value 1. All right, and that's all you need to do. So once you've got that set up, you just click save all changes. And what that does is that activates your sidebar for your widget. Now another thing that you can do is anytime that you are in you can also take the newsletter and add the newsletter to anywhere in your, like as a web page. But I have an actual plugin that looks even better than the one that's offered through this, which I will show you in another tutorial. But that's how you activate the sidebar widget for your newsletter. So I hope this wasn't too confusing. I just got home from vacation and I'm just still a little scatterbrained. So, all right, I hope that was helpful. We'll chat with you later. Thanks.